this tutorial video, I will demonstrate how you can download plots from the KIWI ExploreLive module. ExploreLive does not store any of the datasets that you've uploaded, or the settings or the plots that you create during an active session. You have to download plots or datasets that you want to keep. So I have an ExploreLive session in which I've created a scatter plot. The data is panel by study variable, and I'm using stratification inside a panel using the gender study SexFC. Now I want to download this plot to my local computer. And for that, I will use this demo download panel. You can select among 3 types of images formats: PDF, PNG, or JPEG. The default is PNG. You can click directly on the download button, and ExploreLive will assign an automatic height, width, and resolution. But you can also define each of those information in the 3 text field here. The dimension of the plots need to be provided in inches. So I'm going to use a 6, no, maybe not that, maybe something like a 4-inch height, a 6-inch of width, and I'm going to use a 300 dpi resolution. We'll click on the download button, and depending on the setting of your web browser, either the image will be directly stored in your default download folder. In my case, I set my web browser to ask me where to save any download files. So I have the option of selecting the folder, and KIWI ExploreLive will also assign a name automatically to this picture, which is based upon the type of plot that you've created. As is for scatter plot, there would be an abbreviation specific to each of your plot types. Then it referred to the Y variable, either on the log scale or not. In this case, I had a log scale. TSFD is the X axis variable, and then we have information about the stratification. At the end, we have a timestamp of the creation of the image, and you can save this image. And now this image was stored, and I can open it in an image viewer, whatever you have on your computer. So this download panel is available in all the modules that generate plots, whether it's in the plot panel or in the analysis panel for survival. Data bidding is the only submodules that create plots, but does not allow the download of that plot. This concludes the presentation of the download functionality for plots. If you have questions about this functionality, please refer to the KIWI user manual or send us questions at kiwisupport@cognitioncorp.com. Thank you very much.